Well, good afternoon. It's Thursday the 23rd. Doug got back with her about 7 o'clock Monday night. They started on her Tuesday. We're going to put the wrap on tonight. A couple other things to tidy up, and she is ready to rock for Brownstown tomorrow night. Shout out to Kurt at Rocket and Mark Rocket and the whole Rocket team for such a quick turnaround and getting us going again. Well, wash day on a Thursday. Wash our tires up. That wheel's junk. Bust the tire off of that. Looks like it's just the bead lock ring on this one that got KO'd. May be able to take care of that. He's over there wrapping the car.
I'm not full-time tire guy, so you'll take me doing.
You seem to be. That's the right rear. It's junk too. Flipping tires. Woo, that one stinks.
You don't like where your payments for the night, choose that wheel and bring it to scrap.
Doug got the trailer and truck all cleaned up while I was washing tires. Getting about go time. Strong chance of rain tomorrow. We'll see if we get to race tomorrow night at Brownstown with the MARSRacingSeries and see what happens Saturday night for Farmington Empire Speedway for 5,000 to win MLRA. The watchdog. And got the skirts on this side done. He's got to do the nose yet, but it's working on this side over here. The door's done. Wiping the 3M inhibitor on it. Well, she's all lettered up. They're going to bleed the brakes tomorrow. Throw her on the scales, make sure everything's still good. And in the box we go for Brownstown. Big shout out to Ogre, Bump, Max, Cooper, Kurt at Rocket. Who? Brent at Rocket. They were phenomenal getting us in, getting this thing turned around and back on the road about 3 hours after Doug showed up with it. So huge thanks to Rocket, thanks to our crew, thanks for Doug going out there to get it. I know I wasn't out here a whole lot this week with having my kids, but got out here tonight, got done what he wanted me to get done. And if it don't rain out tomorrow, we'll be at Brownstown tomorrow or tonight by the time you see this. And shooting for Farmington Empire Raceway on Saturday. See how it goes. Did pick up a new sponsor over the week, Erlinger Crane Service, local here. Big shout out to them for coming on board. Still got room for the back spoiler if somebody wants to jump on. We will catch you all later.